Yo, what up guys? My name is Nate Hamilton. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Last week we were super busy getting the car ready to operate for our drift season. So we had an alignment and a motor install and a dyno session. Check that video out. But this video is all about Fuel Fest. So let's dive into some details. Alright, cool. So first things first, just driving into Texas Motor Speedway. They sold like 8,000 tickets at this event, so it was going to be a gnarly day ahead of us. The boys are going to bolt check the car, and I'm going to jump into a driver's meeting, and then we'll see how the day goes from here. Alright guys, welcome to today's video, Fuel Fest, Texas. This is going to be a very fast-paced day. In this, basically, today's like really all about, sorry, I lost you, Elisha. Yeah. Today's a lot about giving rides and just an experience for the fans, but at the same time, I'm trying to make sure I get results out of my car for the upcoming season at Clutch Kickers. So two things going on, and both of them are like kind of gnarly. So keep up with us. Elisha's gonna be behind the camera trying to just stay as on it as possible. I got my helmet cam rolling, so we should get some good footage. Finally some action. Let's go.
How are you, sir?
You excited?
To see, man. It's great to see you. Your son's killer.
You ready to drive?
I'm not trying. Ready to walk? Same question.
Same question.
No, it's not a hot lap. Right, it is a second lap. But you do not a hot lap.
We're just gonna turn around and go, like, or what?
If your passenger paid for it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I mean,
No, that's what I'm wondering. Yeah.
if you don't want to come through this way, so if you're not getting paid and you just want to do it, do it.
But I'm saying, are we still gonna stop here and wait for grades?
This car will send you, but this lane will have priority.
So we still stop there?
Yes, you will have to stop.
That's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, you're not just going.
All right, that's what I'm
So last week, Adrian and Brandon, they really like worked super late hours to make sure this car is up and running and ready. So at the same time, this got them really familiar with everything that they were tasked to do at the track. So like the alignment and the synchronicity of everything was on point. They were in line with what they needed to do, and we had a busy day ahead of us. So here we go. All right, we're about to go out. First laps. First laps, new motor, new suspension, new everything.
New FDF.
New FDF.
First time drifting the FDF.
First time, dude. But all the stuff on the alignment rack came out so similar that we're expecting this car to just feel really good. So, but my approach is going to be to go real slow, enjoy, and just kind of feel out the track. But yeah, I think it's 1 o'clock right now on the dot, so cars are lighting up. Let's go take some laps.
Let's take a video.
So it's been a long time since we've had a activation this close to our print house and our entire like hometown. So pretty much everyone's parents and friends of friends and their friends of their friends' friends came. And so from that, we had so many rides to give that we focused primarily on the friends and family. So I apologize to everybody watching this that came there and did not get a ride. Hopefully we'll catch you at a track soon.
seen you guys in a while. This has been like a fast-paced event like I thought it would be, but man, there's a lot of people here and they're loving the vibes, so I'm just proud. The car's up and running really well. People are packing around us and we're selling some merch, so thank you guys for the support. I got my boy Joseph Bell here.
He taught me how to drift.
What's up, man? Absolutely.
Okay, so after, 5 hours of drifting, the car just cut off. So with this being said,
Jesus Christ, the drift car.
son of a gun, but we're doing an interview. What are we gonna do, guys? Okay, come on in, Y'all got this. Sorry, we're shooting something. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up?
Ignore the setup. How's it going?
My bad.
No, you're good, dude. But welcome. Welcome to the shop. Bailey can take care of you guys if you need real quick, or you can kick it out back real quick, whatever you guys want to do. We probably have like 15 minutes and we'll be done here. Okay, so it's hard to concentrate now. So anyways, customer pulled up, but to stay on track with you guys, anytime that there's just a wiring issue, we kind of all start to freak out. And to be honest with you guys, there was maybe 100 or so people in the paddock at the time, because the event was so packed that everyone on the crew was under a lot of pressure. So with a wiring issue, everyone started to kind of sweat a little bit.
The kill switch off.
Ay, ay, ay.
Pull that off.
So Adrian, basically, the display didn't do its trick, so it was like off. I pulled out and I came around, and I just like killed the car while I was rolling to basically just get the display to work. And then when I went back to kick these on, it was just like kind of like vlog, what up? Welcome to just a few, oh god. Welcome just to a few small issues. My Holly display sometimes doesn't come on all the way, like no power to it. So I have to cycle the ignition to get it back on. Then from there, we had some sort of power issue earlier today, and it happened one more time right now. So there's like a lot of people and a lot of pressure, and we're just trying to give as many rides as we can and like express the fun of drifting for everybody. And then when things like this slow you down, I'm just kind of like, damn it. So the boys are on it right now, and we'll get this thing fixed and we'll get back out there. So with this small issue, like honestly, I was not that worried. Like out of all the things going on and testing this car for the first time this season, this was just like something I was not even worried about. I knew they would fix it. It came down to being just a simple fuse and a little bit of a wiring issue, but Adrian, my mechanic, was able to knock that thing out and send me right back on track. Thank you guys so much, right? Like thank you guys for coming out. Thank you Fuel Fest for having me. It really does feel special to go and put on a show. I feel like we put on a damn good show. I got to drive 6 hours straight. I got to shake hands, kick it with people, and really just feel the vibes, feel the love. So I just really wanted to translate that through this video, and I wanted to say thank you guys. Thank you to the sponsors making this happen, and that's not just like a sponsor plug. Like Deechworks, Krista, her whole team came out, Art of Assembly, Caps came out, and like these dudes were hands-on. Alex Edinke came out, like just people are invested in this, and it means a lot. And so when you guys watch this video, I hope you feel that. And I want to say thank you guys as well for watching this video, because this all adds up, man. So Hope you guys enjoyed this video. More to come. We're gonna keep building them. Y'all's feedback is super important. So you guys watching these, I know you may not have been there, but like give us some feedback, man. We're really just trying to make these better and better so you guys will want to watch them and enjoy them. And I hope I'm being transparent enough, and I hope you guys feel the vibes. So anyways, I'll let you go. Later.